Yeah.
It is too.
Defo is.
Or you stand on that side.
Why? Nah. Probably open. Oh, it's got a lock on. That's just someone's gonna like be it, isn't it?
There's a lock on it.
Right, or whatever they do. Is there a bit of whizzes on the floor? Ah. It's zip tied on.
There's a shit ton though.
Are you like, do you know? Look at that cup.
True, hey. Mommy!
I thought that was just shooting.
Get on someone's car.
Well, that was fun.
Right, until the end.
Yeah, I love it.
I don't want to get shit on my You okay?
Oh yeah, I've got a stone in my eye.
You stoner.
Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh my god, it's coming for us.
Don't murder me. It's probably like, fuck, sick pink rims, mate. How do I get one of those? There you go, you're not the only car with pink on it. Except that's a marriage celebrant.
This camera has amazing zoom. Whoa, what's it doing? Oh, cool.
Just dies.
Please don't run over the birdie. Wee.
So much rain.
Can
So
you?
little.
Can you grab my bag? Please. Yay. I don't know. Huh?
Next minute, your mum cares how to lift.
She's come down. But when she says that, I don't know how long she's going to take.
Does she know I'm coming?
I said I have two people with me, BJ and Lachlan.
And what did she say?
Okay.
Oh my god, look at the floor. Look at that.
What?
Everywhere. What's the number? Oh, it beeps. Next song.
Oh yeah.
Hi.
No,
You got
there's
mud on
mud
it.
all over.
Oh no, I take them off like mopped and everything. That's the one I'm supposed to get.
It has the same view.
Did you seriously open that window?
Not much. It like tiny bit
It's
opens.
just enough to like put your whole body out.
Oh, sorry.
Just enough to get to.
That's the smoking room.
The
painter?
Yes, because we were going to go across. Well, he was going to go to wherever, and I was going to go across the road to see if they did the new building. And yeah, the little pub that I used to just cross the road and go to for a couple
Yeah,
of days.
yeah.
That's the only place I used to go.
It's cold in here.
Is it?
Yeah. Holy shit.
Beautiful.
Sweet. Yeah. Well, it was colder
This is
at Mount
exact
St. Marie.
same.
Holy crap, it was cold.
I love this
I
view.
rearranged a few things, Coral. I already decorated. I just like the decorations. So,
Just like
you know me.
blending out
I
your
mood swings.
Just a little
I
cabby
wanna
house,
dive.
isn't it?
Hey.
Just a little cabby
Oh, you
house.
wouldn't. Nah, they need a professional, mate. Anyway.
See, Lachlan, this is how far it goes out.
Christmas shade has to go there.
Nah, this is
Oh, you're
not
fine on
right.
that.
This is not straight.
That's how far it goes out.
This doesn't suit this.
Mum, are you talking to yourself?
Yeah, this.
Holy shit.
Go, Mo.
It's a nice view.
Yeah?
Have you dropped your phone? I mean, your camera through.
My room.
I am.
It's a mess. I haven't cleaned up my room. Troy and his dad.
Hello.
Hello. That's my daughter, Coralie.
Hi, how are you?
And that's BJ, her boyfriend.
All right, Buzz Mojo.
Don't drop it.
Thank you, Sharon.
What the hell?
There's a toilet
What have you guys done?
No, that cheated. I guarantee I can beat you.
Look, shut your mouth and play him.
I sent her a photo of this place and she goes, wow, don't get a nosebleed, winky face. I sent a photo, I'll show you. Yeah, that's what she, I sent a photo and she sent that back.
What's it?
Don't get a nosebleed. Wait, what's it mean?
What does it mean?
I don't get too excited.
What you missed out on all your life that we haven't done for you, Coralie. Come and have a look what we haven't done for you, Coralie.
It's cool. It's pretty in here though. This is creepy as.
Huh.
Oh my god.
Can you make out its face though?
Yeah. Mm.
Honestly. Look how long its neck's going. Is that paint on its back?
Where?
There.
I don't know. Like, look.
It's like writing, it's like, what am I doing with my life?
Cool.
At all. I want to go somewhere. It
Where?
doesn't cost money.